Are you a Coral Painter 2018 or 2017 or 2015 owner? Did you purchase the program for $500 and your stuff doesn't look like this? Well, it's because you don't know my quick and easy method. This stuff is great. It's easy. My videos are only like 10 to 12 minutes long. And you can paint stuff like this with just 2 brushes. Not brushes that were included in Coral Painter. No. Oh. But with the brushes that I give you. And whether you're cloning or just doing a painting, using these 2 brushes, you're going to accomplish photos like this. Or paintings like this. No matter what you do. So listen, the link to my tutorial, which is only $20, is down below. Get this tutorial, and you'll be doing stuff like this in 10 minutes. Whether like this, where you're painting from your own hand, not cloning, to cloning.